Hi, I'm Travis Dorsey.
And I'm Wesley Barker.
We're here to show you our submission for the Obesity Data Challenge. We set out to build a tool that would empower individuals and groups to advocate for areas that need improved access to healthy food choices, but also would highlight the relationship between economic conditions and obesity. We used open source data exclusively for this app. We started with the 2010 census data, 2013 American Community Survey, and data from the Department of Agriculture on their SNAP programs. We use data from the web to supplement the SNAP program data to classify types of stores, such as grocery stores, convenience stores, dollar stores. But the point here is that it's all open source data, and even the tool used to create this app is open source, which allows for replication of the results, peer review, and wider collaboration.
Thank you, Travis. Just as Travis mentioned, the tool that we use is open source. It's called Shiny. It's hosted through the R statistical software, which is open source statistical software. And the Shiny app, as it's more commonly known, allows you to do any number of types of visualizations. What we have presented here today is a map, which you can easily do in Shiny. Particularly, we have the percent of Americans that are obese mapped by county. So this county core pleth shows the ranges from 0% obese by county all the way up to 100%, although fortunately there aren't that many people obese at the county level, but you could show that. We have a number of metrics you can choose currently in the app. We have over 180 different variables in our data set, but we only chose to show a few just to give a sample of what could be in the final app. Obviously we have percent obese. There's also percent uninsured, percent of people below poverty line, etc. We wanted to definitely provide something that not only shows the percent obese at the county level, but also other socio-demographic and economic variables that are associated with obesity. One other feature of this map is that you not only can look at the percent 0% to 100%, but you can also use this percentage range bar to actually adjust the percentage range on the map. So you can go from 0 to 50%, so you get a sort of a different look at the disparities across the United States in terms of obesity and the other available variables. The other feature that we have included in this app is the ability to look below the national level to look at state data. So let's do that. You can use this drop down, which says national, and we'll click on Alabama. This is the first state listed. The app takes that data, refreshes it, and shows you the Alabama version of the percent obese map. It's empty on the left. That's because we're about to put in some data, so I'll do that now. We have a text input called choose a county. So we'll choose Jefferson County, Alabama. And what it essentially does is parses the data set for Jefferson County data, and which is currently doing. And then it shows on the left the percentages for different variables, the ones we included in the metrics in the user interface, as well as others. As Travis mentioned earlier, we took SNAP data to find out the number of grocery stores and other types of food stores located by county. So this actually can tell you the number of supermarkets for 10,000 people, farmers markets for 10,000 people, etc. And then in the future versions of this app could show more enhanced visualizations of that data, comparing those county level metrics to state and national metrics as well, with bar charts and other types of visualizations that could be included with the map. So this really is a good tool to sort of look at different parts of the country to see differences in these metrics, to compare across states and counties, and to you can even download, or you can save these graphics, which are images, and share them with others. So it's an enhanced tool to share this information with others. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you. We look forward to the decision.